Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Lakeview Beach in the beautiful Qu'Appelle Valley of Saskatchewan. This quiet lakeside community sits along the shores of Qu'Appelle Lake, one of 4 long, narrow lakes that stretch through this peaceful valley. The Qu'Appelle Valley is known for its gentle hills, calm blue water, and wide open skies. It's a special place where people come to relax, enjoy the outdoors, and take in the beauty of the prairie landscape. The name Qu'Appelle comes from a legend about voices calling across the valley, and in French it means who calls. Lakeview Beach is a small, friendly spot where families and visitors come to swim, boat, fish, and spend time by the water. The beach has a soft shoreline and clear water, perfect for a summer day. The area is surrounded by grassy hills and trees, with plenty of places to walk and enjoy the fresh air. For thousands of years, indigenous peoples lived in and traveled through this valley, gathering at the lakes for fishing, hunting, and meeting with other communities. The land still holds their history and remains an important place in Saskatchewan's story. Today, Lakeview Beach is a peaceful getaway where people come to enjoy simple moments, hear the sounds of nature, and watch the sun set over the quiet water. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Lakeview Beach, Saskatchewan. watching!